We are in Gatsibo district, in Rugarama sector, in Nendesel. So this is Heritage Parents Academy. I'm by names of Tumushabe Alex, who is acting as the Director of Studies at this school called Heritage Parents Academy. The school began in 2002. We have been conducting and we have been allowing very many kids from this school all the way from the start. But now we have P6 and we have managed to pull all these kids from baby class up to P6 class. As usual, we have a nursery section, 3 years, that is baby, middle and top. Then we have from P1 up to P6. Those classes, as I talk now, they are streamed. That's why you find most of the parents, they are eager to bring their children here for more studies. Because most of the schools, you find that they have a number of kids in class, which are very many. So here, since we streamed these classes, we find that some of the parents, they prefer their kids to study when they are few. And what I know, we have managed to do that. At our school Heritage, but now we have a staff of 25 teachers, where we have 10 females together with 15 males. Therefore, we have managed, because of that staff, to teach these kids a quality education that is needed in Rwanda. So far now, we have almost 700 plus pupils that are coming from different sections and villages. Take an example. We have kids who are coming from Chiziguro. It is in another sector. We have also other pupils that comes from Bugarura, which is very far from the school. For that matter, therefore, the school has managed to transport these kids from those villages. That's why we negotiated with the owner of the school to buy the school bus, as you have seen around. So that school bus in the morning goes in Chiziguro twice, together in Rwajitima and Finance twice, to transport these kids so that they can reach at school in time. As usual, or as we continue, here we feed the kids as the program of Rwanda, where we have this program of feeding kids. We sometimes we prepare rice, other times we prepare posho. Then where possible, like as we are in dry season, we normally give them matoke as usual. Also at the school, another thing why most of the parents prefer to bring their kids here, we have a computer laboratory. As you know very well, in Rwanda today, they are working tirelessly so that their children can study very well this computer as ICT is concerned. That's why we constructed that building that you have seen, where we have very many computers which enhance the studies of these kids, most especially from P1 up to P6. So for transport, I have already talked about it around there. We have managed to buy a school bus, whereby we requested the owner of the school to get another bus, because as if kids are becoming very many, so that we can get another bus to transport these kids from different places. Another thing why most of these parents normally bring their kids here, it is all about care of the children. When you take care of a child, the child likes you, the child loves you. So day by day, a child needs to study. A child needs to go to school and see my teacher. Mommy, daddy, let me go to school. My teacher, my what. So some of such things also pull these kids to the school. And then for the case of nursery section, we have some of the activities that they normally do during break. Take an example, they have a place where they normally go and enjoy themselves, as you have seen. So that is Heritage Parents Academy. By now we are going to close this term. As you have seen, most of the teachers are preparing report cards, we are signing, we are busy doing each and everything. So what I know, as we close this term, next term will begin as usual. So the government will announce the date to begin the school. So as we begin, we are well cognizant that we are going to receive more kids from different villages. So for those who can afford, we can transport them using our school bus. Classes are available and teachers are also available. For at the moment, that is what I can tell each and everybody. But Heritage Parent is open. You can bring your child for good education at Heritage Parents Academy. I thank you very much.